Hi, everyone, and welcome to P-Bolic Notes. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, 2022, and my name is Michael Kirkjian. Today was a big day in the cryptocurrency space, a lot of big moves, and we'll look at it right now very quickly with some of the important tokens, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum, see what happened on the charts, anything interesting for us to pay attention to, so we can keep an eye on, see if there's going to be a reversal and in an improvement of the cryptocurrency space versus what we've seen in the last couple of months. Before I forget, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So this way, whenever, and also click on the notifications. This way, whenever I post the new videos, which I'm trying to do as much as I can, at least once a day, that we'll be able to get up to date and updated with these videos. So before I go any further, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I invest for fun, really. I enjoy it quite a bit in the crypto space, and I share with the audience what I'm doing. So everything I do, please do your own research and do your own verification. So let me just start with sharing my computer screen, and I will also show you quickly, before we do anything else, what's going on with the Bitcoin into the block analysis. So what happened today was, if we look at briefly, just to see where we're at as far as the Bitcoins and the cryptocurrency markets are concerned, crypto had a very good day today. So if you look at, let's say the top four coins, obviously Tether, it's a stable coin, so it's not supposed to move much. But if you look at Bitcoin, it was up in the last 24 hours, 13%. Ethereum was up 10%, and Binance BNB was up 8%. So, and obviously when Bitcoin went up, what it did was it was good for the wallets, because if you look at what's going on with the chain analysis, we see of the total addresses right now, 60% of the Bitcoin addresses are in the money. And only 34% now are out of the money, and there's approximately 5% that are exactly at the money. And also, if you look at what's going on around the price of the total addresses, as far as basically for those addresses that bought Bitcoin, let's say between 33 and 45,000 US, and as we look at what the price is at today, it's around 43,000. So, and if you look at what addresses bought between 33 and 45,000. Currently, there's approximately 55% that are in the money, and there's 44% that are a bit out of the money. So this is kind of a high level the channel analysis for Bitcoin. And now I'd like to show you what's going on with the charts. So as we look at the dominance charts, which are really important, I find, we will notice that the Ethereum dominance versus the entire crypto space is currently at around 18%. At the high, it was at 22%, and now it's at 18%. And really, it's kind of still it's at a good place. Basically, if you look at this the moving average chart, it's above the 50, 100, and the 200-week moving averages, meaning that Ethereum dominance is holding its ground. Bitcoin dominance, same thing as well. It's bullish. Obviously, it's 44% of the entire crypto space. But in comparison with Ethereum, we noticed that the Bitcoin dominance is below all the moving averages, meaning that Bitcoin is supposed to have been at a higher number, but it's not. And if we look at what the total crypto space is at, we notice that the total crypto space is right now, obviously, it's well below the $3 trillion mark that it was at in November of 2021. But today we are at around 1.9 trillion. So meaning that it's still bearish, the trend, but obviously it's been a good day today for the total crypto space, trend still being bearish. And we are also below this 50-week moving average of the total crypto space. As we see, we are basically below it right over here. Now let's see what happened today, if it had anything important as far as the charts were concerned. What I like looking at is my favorite chart for Bitcoin is this one here, the 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So it looks like whatever happened today all that 15% going up and so forth really hasn't done much except get us into this resistance. So basically, if we kind of, let's say, if I draw these lines out, it's very important to see what happens over here to see if Bitcoin is able to go above into this bullish territory, or if it's going to be still hitting this moving averages and go down. So we're going to be taking a good look at this in the next couple of days, couple of weeks, to see what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does break this moving average numbers, then it's going to be a very good sign for, or it should be a very good positive sign for the altcoins. So we'll keep a close look at this. And then if I look at what's going on with, let's say, the let's say if I look at the longer moving averages for Bitcoin, I opened the wrong chart there. If I look at, let's say, the 50-week and also the 100-week, as well as the 200-week moving averages. Let's see where we're at with today's jump. I'll open it with this Coinbase exchange. So as we look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, we see that we are still below this 50-week moving average, but we're still above the 100-week and above the 200-week moving average. Now, one thing that I learned a couple of weeks back from Ben Cohen, which is an excellent technical analyst, what Ben was mentioning was that each time in the past that Bitcoin had hit this weekly 50-week moving average, that every single time in the past that this has happened, it actually gone down all the way down to the 200-week moving average. And as we notice, this happened basically right over here between May 2018 as well as December 2018. And the same thing happened again. It repeated between March 2020 as well as March. Really, this was March 2020, from February to March, did the same thing. And now we seem to be kind of at the same space as well. It looks like as of sometime in mid-December, we went below the 50-week moving average. So let's just see what happens. Hopefully this time around, this doesn't happen. Hopefully this time around, we don't go all the way down to, potentially as low as $22,000 US. So I'm kind of hoping that Bitcoin just, let's say, hits this 100-week moving average line, or just even better, goes straight above this 50-week moving average line. So obviously, just because it happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen again. But if something happened in the past a couple of times already, chances are that it may happen again. So that's why we have to pay a close attention to this. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and we'll keep a close eye on what's going on with these tokens next couple of days, and I'll update wherever need be. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.